Fablux Wig Making Academy today, and with someone that has no experience at all, I learned a lot. She's amazing, she's fabulous at what she does, and yeah, it was a great class, and I recommend this class for sure.
In this class, you will learn a lot. You come in, you will leave with a lot of knowledge. The instructor is very helpful, and her assistants as well, and such a good time also while learning. I recommend the class. Sign up, wig makers. Hey!
You enjoyed the class, you answered all our questions, your energy was amazing. And I'll definitely take everything I learned today and apply it to my new wig making career, thanks to your help with tips and marketing. So I really appreciate your class and hope everybody else joins. Thank you.
What I really like about Sylvia's class, she remembers everybody, everything about them, and that is very important. She was on point, and I love it. Thank you.
Hi, this is Veronica. I'm from New York. I'm leaving Toronto. I just left Sylvia's Fablux Wig Making class. Absolutely fabulous ladies, guys, whoever. Please take her class. She's absolutely hands-on, the best, step-by-step, using a sewing machine. Check us out on Harlem Secrets, which is my daughter's lash line. Thank you.
Sylvia, you changed my life today. I'm so happy. Fablux Wig Making Academy. I don't know what to say to you, but you changed my life. I'm going to change people's lives with making wigs for them. Thank you so much. I will never forget you. You are part of my life now.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Sylvia. You were so helpful, so genuine, and so thorough. You took your time with each and every single one of us. You definitely answered all questions, and you did over beyond the way we all expected. I definitely feel like I came back with so much knowledge in this with you. And, thank you for reminding us it's more than just wigs, and that this can lead to so many bigger opportunities. So thank you again.